Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Pretty easy item to make, but I'm going to do a little bit differently. But there's a couple of ways you could make this shape. I think it's easier to take a six-sided polygon and make it pretty big and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then Control D and make a duplicate of that. Holding down the Shift key, it'll make it grow from the interior. Now, if we grab both these, we can't do anything with them, but if we grab one at a time, we can make this a three-sided. And then take this one and make it a three-sided polygon, which is a triangle. That way it's in the center of the page. And we're going to bring in indexing lines to show that that's the center of the page. Now we're going to take a 2-point line and go from right there, that node, up to there. Now we have to draw at least two of them. So we're going to go ahead and draw this one to there. Now we got this shape, and I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill it in. I'm going to actually make it a, you know what, let's do blue. Now I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 10 inches, and I'm going to nudge this out of the way. And then that way I can get rid of my lines and I can nudge this right back. Now we're going to add the interactive fill tool, and we're going to go with a darker blue up to that corner. You don't want so much. Now what I want to do is I want to rotate it around this, but I'm going to make a clone first so we can change it. So I'm going to go to Edit, Clone, and I'm going to grab one of them. I'm going to move it over. And this is our clone curve. This is our control curve. So I'm going to move it over twice. Now I'm going to take this one. I'm going to Control D. I'm going to move the center rotation to the center of the page. And I'm going to rotate it 120 degrees. And then I'm going to Control D. The reason for the clone curve, let's take away our indexing lines. And let's actually add black to it to make it kind of stand out. Object, order, like a page. Now we can take our clone and go back to the interactive fill tool, and we can change this, and we could make it darker. And if you look, it's doing it on all of them, and you can change it quite a bit. I mean, whatever you think looks the best. You could actually add another blue, you know, like right there, and really make it stand out. Now I've learned recently to get rid of that clone, you have to select it all, go up to Object and break the 5 objects apart, and then you can get rid of your clone. If you don't do that, the whole thing will disappear. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.